Welcome to our lesson on advanced filtering. As you can see, we have a rather large spreadsheet with lots and lots of data. We want to be able to find all of our salespeople as well as all of our clients, so we're going to go ahead and use the advanced filter to extract a unique set of records from each of these columns of data. We will begin by clicking the Data tab in the ribbon. Then within the Sort and Filter group, we will find the Advanced button. Clicking this button will open the Advanced Filter window. We'll begin the process by choosing Copy Cells or Copy to another location instead of filtering this list in place. After we choose that radio button, we need to define where the information is stored in our file. So in the list range field, we will define, in this case, C1 through C2156. There is no criteria that we are using for this. We're going to copy this to cell N1, so we'll just enter that cell address in the Copy To field, and we will put the check mark in for the unique records only, and click OK. Now the data has been extracted, beginning in cell N1 down, showing only unique values. We will need to widen out the column so that we can see the information, and we'll do that by simply double tapping between the column N and O to auto adjust the column width. Now that we have the list of all of our sales representatives, we're going to extract a list of all of our clients. So we'll begin by, again, returning to the Data tab in the ribbon and the Advanced button in the Sort and Filter group. So once again, we're going to go ahead and copy all of our extracted data to another location. So we'll click the Copy to Another Location radio button. This time the list range will be A1 through A2156, since the A column is the column that contains our list of clients. We're going to copy those unique values, so we'll click the Unique Records Only and set that to copy into cell N15, and then simply click OK. Our list of clients has now been extracted into column N, beginning in cell N15. The names are again too wide to display within the width of the column, so we will auto adjust the width of column N by double clicking between the headers for columns N and O. Now that we have successfully extracted the required pieces of data we need from this much larger data set, we can use this new data to extract even more relevant information from this set. We'll be using the SUMIF function in the next tutorial to find out how much each salesperson has sold, as well as how much each client has purchased. So please stay tuned for our next tutorial.